How to combine two Instagram accounts into one. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to combine two Instagram accounts into one. So if you're wondering how to combine two Instagram accounts into one, then this guide will explain what's possible and what's not and the best workarounds for it. So with that important upfront as it Instagram does not officially allow merging two accounts into one. But there is one clean way to move everything to a single account. So with that, let's move forward to it. So here, step 1 is to choose your main account. So decide which account that you want to keep. So here, once you have chosen your main account, then this will be your primary account. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to download data from the secondary account. So here what you can do is simply log in the account that you want to remove, and after that you can simply go to the settings and privacy section, and there you can just tap on account center, and after that you can just tap on your informations and permission. And here once you are in this section, then what you can do is just tap on export your information and follow the on-screen prompts to download your information from this second account. And with that, once you're done with it, what you can do is move forward to the step 3, that is to re-upload content to the main account. So here, once you're done exporting the data from your second account, then what you can do is just go back to your primary account, and there you can upload important photos and videos manually, and there you can use captions like previously posted on my old account as well. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to move followers manually. So here what you can do is just open your second account, and after that you can simply post a story about your primary profile bio update, and there you can even say, for example, like this account is moving, and there you can add your main account like at the rate your main account and pin the post to your profile, and there you can ask the followers on that account to follow your new one, and this is the only legit way to move followers. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to change the username. So if you want the old username, then what you can do is just change the username on the secondary account and wait a few minutes, and then set that username on the main account as well. So here username are not always instantly reusable, but you can try that. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to delete and deactivate your old account. So here what you can do is simply log in to the account that you want to delete, and after that you can just go to the settings and activity section, and there you can just tap on account center, and there what you can do is just tap on manage accounts option, and there you can simply select the account that you want to delete, and after that you can just tap on deactivation or deletion, and once you tap on it, then you can simply follow the on-screen prompts to delete your account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.